Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to Cakes by Naz channel. Today I'm making this pink chocolate drip. For this drip you will need white chocolate, double cream in pink color. You need to add like 3 parts of chocolate and 1 part of cream. If you add too much cream, drip will be very runny. I put in microwave for 30 seconds only, but it depends on amount of your chocolate and microwave power. Then mix really well. As I mentioned in my other video as well, chocolate drip never gonna go wrong. Just need lots of mixing, and if it's go too thick, add little bit of milk, or if it's too thin, you can put in fridge for a bit and keep checking. And now it's mixed properly, so I added pink color in it and mix again. Drip is ready, but this is not the color I wanting for it, so I'm adding white color inside the drip to make it perfect hot pink color. If your drip looks too thick, at this stage you can add little bit milk inside and check if it's perfect. Always check back side of your cake.